Alright, here's the first question. Which creature has 5 eyes? The bee or the crab? First point for you. That's the bee. Bees have 2 big eyes and 3 tiny ones on top of their heads. Which one is the most dangerous? Hornet! Its sting can be deadly, but lions rarely attack humans unless threatened. Which one has the strongest bite? The shark or the orca? The orca, of course. Which one is heavier, the elephant or the rhinoceros? The elephant. Elephants can weigh over 6 tons, much heavier than rhinos. Would you rather be squished under an elephant? Or like this video and comment your favorite animal? Who has the longer neck? The giraffe or the ostrich? It's the giraffe. They can reach leaves at the very top of trees. Which one flies quicker, the dragonfly or the butterfly? The dragonfly. That one was tricky. Which animal has the sharper sense of smell? Bear! Many bears have extraordinarily powerful noses. Which animal changes its color? Pretty tricky, huh? The chameleon. Up next, who spits to defend themselves? Is it goats or llamas? Well done! It's llamas! Get ready for a memory challenge! Pay close attention and remember where each animal is. Now, can you tell Dino where the octopus is? The octopus was in position 4. Great job! Who's rocking the longer claws? The lion or the grizzly bear? The grizzly bear. Their claws can grow up to 4 inches long, while a lion's are shorter. Between a fly and a mosquito, which one lives the shortest life? The fly. Most houseflies survive only 15 to 25 days. Can you guess which animal stores food in its